My name is David Vestling. I'm the Executive Director for Facilities and Sports Services for Pflugerville ISD. One of the reasons why I took the position was the challenge. We're going to be developing 2 new elementary schools and a middle school, plus major renovations throughout the district. All of this built around a 3-year time frame. And so what I want to make sure is that we get it right. You know, I was new to the area when I came in, and so I did reach out to the architectural firms that were there, and every one of them had Dunaway, which was shocking. So for me, you guys must be doing something right in this district.
Dunaway has a unique structure in the way that we're set up, where we have different tracks for both project engineers and project management. And one of the things this allows us to do is to focus on where we as people have the biggest strengths. We have the expertise set up to best work with that project.
Probably the most significant challenge with designing Mott Elementary School has to do with the site conditions. When we considered this site, one of our initial considerations we knew would be a challenge would be the soil conditions. We have highly expansive soils here that aren't really meant for large sprawling foundations. And so our early evaluation of this site had to do with what kind of foundation we could place here.
The communication between civil and structural is paramount at certain parts of the project. And to be able to walk down the hallway and ask a question to one of my coworkers instead of having to pick up the phone and play phone tag, there's an ease of communication when it's somebody that you work with internally instead of having to work with a client in another firm.
Everybody sees the finished project that comes out of the ground, and they're all proud of the aesthetics and the feel and the look, but they really don't understand the cost and the labor and the effort that takes place to prep the soil, to put a foundation in place, run utilities here, make sure that water drains away from the building. All the things that make the building really function combines civil engineering and structural engineering. Both of those teams need to work hand in hand. As an architect, it's very powerful to be able to have a firm that does structural and civil work all in one firm. That's really enhanced my ability to be able to deliver for our clients when I know that that variable is not something that puts me at risk.
You're only as good as the team you surround yourself with. And in a fast growth district, you have to have the best that's out there. It's real important that everybody understands we work as a team. So you may not think that the engineering firms affect students in the classroom, but they really do. And we believe that we're building some really terrific buildings for students to learn in. We know together we're going to do some great things for the city of Pflugerville.